Welcome to my YouTube channel at Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking up Excel Module 3 SAM exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. Focusing on Excel Module 3 SAM exam. I can do all assignment, all quizzes, exams, and complete course. Please contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. Let's start our exam to solve step by step. Question 1 is that rotate the contents of the cells in range B3 to H4 to exactly 60 degree, which is 4 points up to the left of 0 degree marker on the orientation. Okay, first we select this range, orientation, format. Okay, then orientation is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Answer correct. Okay, it's done. Okay, next question is that align the contents of cell A3 vertically using the bottom align option. Okay, align the contents of cell A3 vertically using the bottom line. Okay, bottom line. Okay, done. Now question number 3 is that use the autofill feature to fill the range B3 to E3 with the series of labels for the 4 quarters in year. Okay. Next step is use autofill to the fill D5 to D18 with only the formatting from the cell D4. First we select this range. Okay, then okay, only the formatting, without only formatting. Okay, done this step now. Step number 5 is that indent the contents of cell A5 to A12 by single indentation label. Okay, first we select this range. Okay, then done. Now move the contents of G9 to cell A11. Okay, answer correct. Okay, copy the values and number formatting but not the underlying formula of cell K4 to K6 info range B4 to B6. Okay, try this. Then okay, let's try this first. Select this. Go to copy the. Then okay, then okay. Insert a page break between row 16 and row 17 of the worksheet. We will have to page break 16 and row 17. Okay, go to break and insert page break. 16 and row 17, go to breaks and insert page break. Go counts correct. Insert a new row above row 9. Basically we will have to insert a new row on row 9. Click on row 9 and right click on this and insert new row. Right click. Okay, go to insert, click on row 9, insert and insert. Right click on this and insert. Simply is that it will be inserted. Insert a new column to the top left of column D. To the left column of D. Okay, it will be done. Okay, next step is that using the keyboard enter the value of 14% in cell B8 including the percent sign. 14%. Okay, answer correct. Read row 8 in the worksheet. Click on row 8 and read this. Okay, in cell E4 enter a formula using the relative cells references that multiplying cell C4 by D4. Enter the formula in cell E4 C4 multiplied D4 done. Okay. Enter a formula in cell C5 that divided the values in cell B5 by the values in B15 using the absolute cell reference by B15. Okay. Enter a formula in cell C5. Dividing the values B5 over by dividing B15. B5 over divided by B15 divided by D15. Sorry, B15. Okay, it will be fine. Sorry. B5 over B15 dollar sign must. Okay, then it will be fine. Okay, 17% of I have done. Enter a formula in cell A4 using the if function that returns the value of yes if cell D4 is greater than 25 and value of no if cell D4 is less than 25. 25 or less than 25. Okay. Enter a formula in cell E4. Click in cell E4. Next question. In cell F4, enter a formula using the nested if function to calculate the bonus amount using the following function. Arguments enter D4 is equal to 3 as the logical test arguments. Enter if and D4 is equal to 3. And logical test argument E4 multiplying by 1. E4 multiplying by 1. That the value if the argument and enter if. Okay. Insert a column type sparkline in cell B7 using the data range B4 to B6. Insert a column sparkline in cell B7. Click on cell B7, go to insert and go to column sparkline. Okay, then B7 to B4 to B6. Okay, then click OK, press OK, then it will be insert column sparkline. Answer correct. In cell D6, enter a formula using okay, then next question. Change the style of the sparkline in cell B7 to change the sparkline style SN6 darker 25%. Change the style of sparkline B7 to orange. Okay. Change the style design. Go to sparkline. Okay, then darker SN6. Okay, done. Answer correct. Okay, to the sparkline in the range A4 to J7, add the orange marker to the high point and add a red marker to the low point. Add orange marker to the high point and add a red marker to the low point. High point for red, orange marker, low point for red. Okay, answer correct. Now next question is that use the format painter to apply the formatting from cell A3 to cell B3 to D3. Okay, use format painter, answer correct. Okay, 29. Then italicize to the contacts of cell F4. Answer correct. Insert a 3D cluster column chart in the worksheet based on the range A3 to A6. Basically, we will have to select this range, then we will insert a 3D cluster column chart. First, we select this range A3 to A6, then go to the insert tab, then go to the 3D cluster column chart. A3D. Okay, sorry. First we select this range. Column chart. Select 3D cluster column. Select, then OK. It will be inserted. OK. Move the bar chart to that the upper left corner of the chart border is over cell D1. Right click on this, cut and paste on D1. Okay, upper left corner D1, not correct. Enter the text workshop participant in the column chart title placeholder. Workshop participant, column chart title placeholder. Workshop participants. Workshop participants, then press enter. Workshop participants, then press enter. Okay, sorry. Workshop participants. Workshop participants, then press enter. Okay, answer correct. Add the chart title elements to the chart in the default location above the chart. Okay, the chart title. Okay, then answer correct. In the cluster column chart, move the chart legend to the bottom position. Legend and to the bottom position. Click on legend to the bottom position. Bottom position. Okay, answer correct. On the cluster chart, add a title participant. Okay, next question. Change the text direction of the vertical axis with number of participants to horizontal. Change the text direction of the vertical axis title number of participants to the horizontal. Right click on this. Okay. Sorry. Right click on this. Okay. So, click on this and go to format, go to rotate more. Okay, consider now. Apply the journal number format to the value on the vertical axis. Okay, Next question is that on the vertical axis of the cluster column chart, define 20.0 as the major unit, 5.0 as the minor. Okay, for this video, 20.0 as a major, 0.0 as a minor unit. Okay, I have done 31 question. For remaining question you want to deal for complete course, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and both are shown on a piece screen. Thanks for watching this video. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, quizzes, exam and complete course. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.